Hello, in this video I want to show you how to fix a problem when you have stable internet connection, but everything on Google Play Store is stuck on pending and you can't browse the internet. And to fix this issue, let's identify it first. So here's the Google Play Store and we can try to download something like here, Call of Duty, and there's something went wrong error and not a pending problem. But yeah, if we try to install it, doesn't even begin. And the same thing is with Google Chrome. So if we try to reach any website, like here, Fortnite, it's this problem right here. To fix both of them, let's open our settings, scroll all the way down and find System Management. Enter date and time and enable automatic date and time settings. Now we can go back to Google Play Store and install the game. Now it works fine. The same is with Google Chrome. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.